Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are fine. This is your mathematics lecture and today we will learn about Unit 5 Time. For telling time, we should know about the units of time. First one is hours, second one is minutes and the third one is seconds. At the end of this unit, you will be able to tell about these units of time. Okay, who will tell me how many hours in one day? Yes, 24 hours. So, we will follow time zones. First one is AM, means anti-meridium. Second one is PM, post-meridiums. Half of them will be in anti-meridium. For example, if we have to tell about 1 o'clock of night time, we will say it's 1 a.m. After 12 o'clock of daytime, that zone will be PM, means post meridium. Let's take a look at this clock. We will say it analog clock. It has small hand or hand. Second one is big hand, mint hands. And the third one is seconds hand. Next one is digital clock. A digital clock is a type of clock that displays the time in digits. I hope you understand this lecture very well. Allah Hafiz.